Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have a Buffalo Chicken Panini. All right, well, you want to start off with about 6 ounces of shredded chicken breast. And then you want to add a couple of baby carrots worth of julienned carrots, about 1/8 of a cup, give or take. And then you want to add about 1/4 cup of diced red onions. Again, I'm just eyeballing all this stuff here. If you like it a little more oniony, add a little more. If you don't, take a little less out. And then you want about 1/2 cup of chopped up celery. And then you want to add about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Again, if you want this a little creamier, add a little bit more mayonnaise. I may have actually gone beyond 1/4 cup. I'm using Duke's mayonnaise specifically. And then you want about 1/4 cup of buffalo sauce. And then you just want to grab a spoon and give all this a stir. Make sure everything is well put together. And let's get ready to make our panini. Okay, on a preheated panini press, as you can see here, I got some Italian bread, slice of pepper jack, and gonna add some of our buffalo chicken salad mix. Pop the other piece of bread on top and press down. And you want to cook this, till it's nice and golden brown and blah, blah, blah. All right, let's zip ahead to the final product. And once it's looking a little bit something like this, it's time to pull it off the griddle and get ready to serve. All right, now the only thing left to do is cut this in half. Give you guys that wonderful pull apart. And that's that. Buffalo Chicken Panini. Done.